Hello people. The topic of our project is automation system using hand gestures. Gesture recognition refers to recognize meaningful expressions of motion by a human involving hands, arms, head, etc. Between all the gestures performed, hand gestures play an important role which helps us to express more in less time. There are several instances when people cannot reach the switchboards to operate the home devices, especially the physically challenged people or aged people. And for this, they have to be dependent on someone all the time. To overcome this problem, we thought of developing a device which can help them to self-operate the devices to make their daily routine life easy and convenient. While going through the previous studies, we found that in glove-based gesture recognition system, a glove is employed that captures the movement of hand and fingers and also the rotation. The real-time signal from gloves is given as input and then system tells us the matched gesture. All the processing was done through a microcontroller. But wearing gloves may feel cumbersome or discomforting. In vision-based system, the gesture control is implemented through computer vision with a mobile-based home automation system using microcontroller. They have used Android phone with high-resolution camera and Bluetooth. The camera would capture hand images and send it via Bluetooth to the microcontroller chip. Although this system overcame the problem of glove-based system, but it also involves handling a camera all the time. So the need is to develop a model which is both feasible and portable. Our proposed model is basically a three-tier architecture, which consists of first the hand gesture device. It would be an armband consisting of different sensors which will be capable of capturing the signals that confirms a possible gesture with a fast rate to generate valid commands to devices. The next is hand gesture controller. It is a gestural processing and identification tier managed by the embedded devices. It will be responsible for processing signals received from the armband. The home devices will execute all the commands received from the controller like on off, up down, changing of mode, etc. As we can see in the diagram, the signals captured by the armband will be sent to the controller, which will be in the form of a mobile application. The signals will be processed and matched with the gestures saved in the gesture library. The corresponding signals will be sent to the home devices via Bluetooth to perform the required action. Here, the most comfortable gestures will be used to assign the frequent commands. We will maintain our own gestural library that can be configured and expanded by the user. The final deliverables will consist of an armband which will capture the signals and a mobile application which will also give a voice command to notify whether the action has been performed or not. So that's all about our project. Thanks for listening.